The fourth question now. Express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. Okay. So that given number something is given to you, you have to express in the standard form. That means the distance between Earth and Moon, it is given that meter. Distance between Earth and Moon, it is given 100, 1000, 10 lakh, 10 lakh, 10 crore. Okay. Okay, dear. Now, how will you write? What is the standard form? K into 10 to the power of n, where n is any integer, 0 less than or equal to k less than 10. 0 less than or equal to k less than 10. So, how can you write that? 3.84. So, which is more than 0 and less than 10. So, after 3, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Therefore, what is the standard form of the given appearing statement? The standard form of the number appearing in the given statement is what? 3.84 into 10 to the power 8 meter. Am I right here? Yes. And then after that, speed of light, it is given that speed of light meter per second. So how can you write? How can you express this one? Yeah, 3 into after 3, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Am I right here? Yes. Then come to the third part now. The diameter of Earth is given that 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh crore. So 1 crore, 27 lakh, 56,000. So how will you express this one, dear? Tell me. Yeah, 1.2756 into 10 to the power of 10 to the power of. So after one, how many digits are there? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 meter. The diameter of Earth, it's given that. Am I right? Yeah. Come to the fourth one now. The diameter of the sun, it is given. Diameter of sun is given. So that means meter, it is given in meter. So 1.4 into, so after 1, how many digits are there? 3 here, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. So 10 to the power 9 meter. So 1.4 into 10 to the power 9 meter. Are you getting there? Yes. Then, fifth part, it's given, in a galaxy, there are an average of, how many stars are there? These many stars are there. So how can you express this one? 1 into. You cannot express 10 into something, because that value of k, it should be 0 or more than 0 and less than 10. So 1 into 10 to the power of 1 after how many digits are there? Here 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11. So 1 into 10 to the power 11 stars. 1 into 10 to the power 11 stars. Am I right here? Yes. Then that universe is estimated to be about 12. How many zeros are there? 9 zeros are there. 9 zeros are there. So old. Am I right? Now tell me, how will you express the given statement in the exponential form, in the standard form? Yeah, 1.2. You are not supposed to take 12, because if you are taking 12, which is more than 10, that value of k should be 0 or more than 0 and it should be less than 10. So 1.2 into, so after 1, how many digits are there? After 1, 1, here 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3 is what? 10. So 1.2 into 10 to the power 10 times volt. Am I right here? Yes, volt. Am I right? Shall we move to the next question? Yeah. The next question is given that what is the next question? The distance of the sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be estimated to be 300. How many zeros? 1 2 3, then 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Am I right? Into meter. So how will you express this one? 3 into 10 to the power of, after 3 how many digits are there? 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 3 21. So 3 into 10 to the power 21 meter. 3 into 10 to the power 21 meter. Am I right? 18, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20. Sorry. 3 into 10 to the power 20 meter. 3 into 10 to the power of 20 meter. Am I right? Yes. Then next one. That molecules are contained in a drop of water weighing 1.8 gram. It is given. That means how much it is given? That is H part 60230 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how can you express this one? Tell me. 6.023 into 10 to the power of. Now after 6 how many digits are there? 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 3 22. So 6.023 into 10 to the power of 22 molecules. Are you getting there? Yeah. Then ISM 353. How can you express this one? K into 10 to the power of n you have to express. So 1.353 into 1.353 into 10 to the power of, after 1 how many digits are there? 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 is what? 9. Are you getting here? So 1.353 into 10 to the power of 9 cubic kilometer. Cubic kilometer. The earth has this much cubic kilometer of sea water it is given. Then after that the population of India was about, it is given 1027 000 in March 2001. Okay, you have to express the given number in the standard form. So what is that? 1.027 into 10 to the power of, so after 1 how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 10 to the power 9. That is 1.027 into 10 to the power 9. Okay, this is the population of India in March 2001. Are you getting here? Yeah. So we completed the chapter. Then tomorrow I will give some extra questions otherwise for your practice, and then on Thursday we will start some other new chapter. Thank you everybody. Thank you.